This temple in Kerala is the original birthplace of Onam festival and also the birthplace of Lord Vamana. Welcome back to the Dashavatara Temple Series. Today, we take you to a rare and an unknown temple of Vamana Avatara in Kerala, where the Vamana Avatara took place. Though there are a lot of Vamana temples across the country, this temple is unique and also original. In other Vamana temples, you find Lord Vishnu as Lord Vamana standing with a raised leg. However, in this temple, you can have darshan of Lord Vamana in his original Swarupa of a Brahmachari standing with an umbrella and a kamandalu, his face radiating with the virtue of tapasya. In fact, this is the only temple in the whole world where you can have darshan of the original form of Lord Vamana Deva. The ancient Vedic texts also point out that this place is the origin of Onam festival, which is revered not just in Kerala but across the land of Bharat and beyond. The Onam festival in this temple is the longest celebration in the entire country, lasting 10 days. The ancient traditions like Attachamayam, Pookalam and the historic procession of Vamana and Mahabali deities are the rituals which are ancient than the recorded history itself. The temple's architecture is just as remarkable. Built in the classic Kerala style, its sanctum is one of the oldest surviving structures in this region, a simple yet spiritually powerful. The circular Sri Kovil, wooden roofs, laterite walls and ancient mural remnants speak of a temple untouched by time. Every stone here echoes the footsteps of Thrikkakara, the Avatara who measured the universe in just 3 steps. This is Thrikkakara Vamanamurti Temple, a temple that doesn't just tell the story of Vamana Avatara, it breathes it. This temple is the cultural foundation of Kerala, the God's own country. The history of this temple is extraordinary. Thrikkakara is mentioned in ancient Sangam literature, Puranas and temple copper plates dating back over 1500 years. Scholars believe it was once the heart of a massive temple complex dedicated entirely to Vamana Avatara and a prominent seat of Dharma in Kerala. For the seekers of Dharma and blessings, Thrikkakara stands as one of the most sacred Vamana Kshetras in Bharat. If you like this temple, then like the video, share it with fellow devotees and continue with us on the Dashavatara Temple Series.